intersection. This is a good one of my favorites, if one is allowed to have favoritism in OCL operators. So intersection, let's see what it says. Returns the list, yeah, maybe it's not even on screen. Returns the list of all elements in the list and the parameter list. Yeah, that might not be the perfect wording, but intersection, as the word alludes to, it's the cross between what we have here and here. So what's the same? So the difference was what's not the same. Intersection is sort of the opposite. What's the same? So 0 seem to be available in both places. So that survives. If we were to add like 7 here, oh my god. 7, I'm gonna add that to number 1, and we would expect it to pop up from here, because now they are in both. And if I were to add number 3 to number 2 here, I would expect it to show up here. Yes. And to allude to the same thing I said before, that things are only put in the bag once. You can't stand in queue in multiple places, of course. You're only one person. And if you're only one object, you can only be in one place at a time. So this number 3 yellow, it's already in number 1 and number 2. If I move it to 2 multiple times, nothing really happens. If I remove it from 2, I didn't remove number 3, I removed the one that was selected. I'm not going to select number 3, remove it from 2, and then I can move it to 2 again. So to summarize, maybe we should call it a day there and leave these operators to another video. To summarize, the operators are mathematical constructs that are logical and that will always do the exact thing that they were designed for. And they can, when you start to think in sets and in objects like this, it will greatly reduce the amount of imperative things you need to think about. I need to add it here, I need to remove it from here, I need to make sure that they are not the same. You can use these operators to cut through and get to what you're trying to convey. And they are really important strategies on how to manage information. So that's it for now, and thanks for listening and watching. Thank you.